I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your eSIM to a new device can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before activation, use the -com link in the description to open a eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your current eSIM. On your old device, backup your eSIM settings. This is usually found in the cellular settings. Look for an option to export or save your eSIM profile. Step 3. Access Bell's eSIM transfer tool. On your new device, go to the Bell website or app and find the eSIM transfer tool. You may need to log into your account to access it. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you access the transfer tool, follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. You might need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Activate eSIM on new device. After the transfer is complete, go to your new device's settings and activate the eSIM. Make sure to check the cellular settings to confirm that it is working properly. Sometimes, the activation might take a few minutes, so be patient. If you run into issues, restarting your device can help. I hope this guide makes your eSIM transfer smooth and easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.